Okay, so I'm going to do a oil change on the Citroen Berlingo. As you can see, jacked up, give me a little bit more room. What do I need? Well, I'm just going to get away with using a 21mm socket, this oil filter wrench, new oil filter and oil, 15W40, gasoline and diesel. I'm hoping that's it. Usually as a job goes along you end up using every tool in the toolbox, but I'm hoping that's all I'm going to need, and a wrench. So just going to pull the dipstick out a bit, open the cap a bit, let some air in as the oil drains out. Oil filter's there. I'll change that after all the oil's drained and refit a new one. And underneath there is the 21mm drill bit, drain plug. There's the oil filter, I'll probably get it from the bottom. So that's it, I'll start by undoing this nut. So I'm just undoing the sump bolt till it's about finger tight. Then I'll get my drain bucket, which hasn't got a very big hole in it, so I've got to be careful. And the oil's hot, so make sure I catch this. There you go. Missed it by oil for the first drips, but it's catching it now. Okay, let that thoroughly drain, and then I'll come and take the filter off. So all you do to remove it is you put your tool over, tighten it, obviously undo it like that. I forgot to film it, I'm just going to put this new one in. Tighten this first, put PSA tape around this as well. So just do that up steady, make sure you don't cross spread it. Now put the filter back on up here. So it's going to be awkward one-handed, so I'll just do it, thread it on. In fact, I forgot to say, oil around the new thread. I don't know why they do that, but it's supposed to seal it better. So I've done that already. So there you go. Oil filter's in place, we're going to screw it down and tighten it in place. So, new oil filter's in place, sump plug's tightened, and now I'm going to put the oil in. I won't film this because that's boring. And then obviously check the level on the dipstick.